Hi friends, welcome to my channel. And to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group, guys. So the link I kept in the description box of this video, and the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see one new UGC regulation. Okay, there is some little bit amendment is there. Okay, from the University Grants Commissions. That amendment, what is that one, and how it is going to be affected. So all the details we are going to see right now in this video. So before going into the main content of this one. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you can check down. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. So here both English as well as the Hindi, both these two in both the languages, that amendment has been mentioned here that you may check. So the University Grants Commission notification and UGC Institutions of Eminence deemed to be Universities Amendment Regulation 2021. So institutions of eminence deemed to be universities means you will get all the IITs and the IISc. Okay. So here what is that amendment is that we are going to see. Okay, directly I will take you to the point, guys. So if you want to get the in detail, whatever the link I am providing regarding this PDF, okay, you may check down. Yeah, and coming to here 11.7 establishment of offshore campus centers. So institutions of eminence deemed to be universities shall be permitted to start new off-campus centers, maximum of 3 in 5 years and not more than 1 in 1 academic year by following procedures mentioned here under. So here institutions of eminence deemed to be universities just like the IITs and IISc has to submit their application to the ministry, okay, by way of an affidavit in one prescribed pro forma along with the detailed project report containing its 10-year strategic vision plan and 5-year rolling implementation plan, that is academic plan, faculty recruitment plan, student admission plan, research plan, infrastructure development plan, financial plan, administrative plan, governance plan, with clear annual milestones and action plan on how the proposed off-campus is to be set up with identifiable outcomes for approval to start or establish an off-campus center. So the ministry shall forward the application to the commission for its advice within 10 days of the receipt of the application. So once after all the procedures are get ready, then we will come to know the details. So these institutions of eminence deemed to be universities, where they are going to, in which country they are going to start the new off-campus centers. Okay, all these details and what are the courses they are providing there, and do we get any recruitment notifications from this one. So all the details we will come to know soon. And the teacher-student ratio shall not more than 1:20 or shall be as per the requirement of the concerned statutory council. The teacher-student ratio shall be 1:10 at the end of the 5 years, and the faculty for this purpose shall include the regular faculty, adjunct faculty, overseas faculty, visiting faculty, and the contractual faculty, industry faculty, and the tenure track faculty or faculty as otherwise permitted by the statutory councils concerned. Okay, and you may check down here that a minimum of 500 students on its rolls under regular classroom mode with 1/3 PG or research students, 5 PG programs and the research programs, built up area of not less than 30 square meter per student, which shall include academic buildings, library, lecture hall, laboratories, etc., administrative, hostels, faculty residences, healthcare, common and the recreational facilities. Okay. So I think it will be the very good decision, guys, because our Indian institutions are going to start in the abroad, So it is a very much encourageable thing, and it is a very much happiest thing. Fine. So it is a new guidelines made by the UGC or the amendment, guys. Okay, so I please go through this PDF once, and please subscribe my channel to get the regular notifications, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. And if you are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then here one announcement follows, so listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.